As I wrap up, I'd like to leave you with a multi-million-dollar tip. If you wanted to know how efficient and effective and forward-thinking your company truly is, take a quick and honest 60-second scorecard review of each of the top 10 operating areas mentioned earlier. Give your business a numerical score of 1 through 5 on each area, then total up your score. If your self-assessment of your organization is 40 or higher, congratulations, you are in the top 5% of the most well-run companies in the fishing tackle industry. A score of 30 to 40 means you're probably okay,